Computer hardware troubleshooting. What is computer hardware? Computer hardware includes the physical parts of a computer, such as the case, central processing unit, CPU, random access memory, monitor, mouse, keyboard, computer data, storage, graphics card, sound card, speakers, and motherboard. Hardware for computers refers to the actual components of a computer, like the one in the central processing unit, RAM, random access unit, computer data, display mouse, and keyboard, sound graphics, and storage motherboard.
What is computer hardware troubleshooting? Hardware troubleshooting is the process of reviewing, diagnosing, and identifying operational or technical problems within a hardware device or equipment. It aims to resolve physical and or logical problems and issues within a computing hardware. Hardware troubleshooting is done by hardware or technical support technician. So troubleshooting, this process seeks to address and fix physical malfunction or logical issues affecting the functionality of computing hardware. Typically, this task is performed by hardware or technical support technicians who use their expertise to pinpoint the root cause of hardware failures and implement solutions to restore normal operation. This process ensures that the hardware runs efficiently and minimizes downtime.
Basic hardware problems and solutions. For example, the computer is not starting. Possible causes. The battery was drained. The power cord was not properly plugged in. AVR or UPS is not working. Power supply problem. So, ang battery is kanang nahurot na, and then the power cord wala siya natarong og kuan kanang saksak, and then ang AVR o UPS wala nagtarong og work. Then ang solution for the computer nga wala nag-start is that make sure to plug in your laptop, plug in the AVR or UPS and turn it on. Check the fuse or AVR if busted or not, and change if it does.
So the screen is blank or no signal received. Possible cause, it is turned off, loose power cord, HDMI, VGA or D-port cable. Power cord, HDMI, VGA or D-port cable is not working. Video card is busted. Then the solution of this is press the power button, fasten the power cord, HDMI, VGA or D-port cable. Then replace the non-working power cord, HDMI, VGA or D-port cable. Then the next is replace the faculty video card, contact the technician.
Third, the printer is not printing. Possible causes. It is turned off. Lost power cord or printer cable is offline. No paper on the tray or no ink. Too many documents to the print queue. The printer is not printing solution. Press the power button of the printer. Connect the cables properly and check if the printer is on and connected to the computer. Put paper on the printer tray or refill the ink.
That's all. Thank you.